Yeah. Onions, mushrooms, salt, pepper, and we're getting ready to do some sliders. So we're keeping the game day snacks kind of moving. Quick, easy, watch the game, relax.
Yeah.
Right? See how easy it was to put together the nachos. So while the nachos going on, you set up basically a nice station where people could make their own sliders.
Grab and go.
And I like how you're just thinking, Junior. For a Brazilian, you just think good. I like how you just think. I like how you just think. So I just want to say this one is a meaty vibe. I want to thank the folks at Macfoods for making this one possible. We're doing it's a Polish sausage called Kielbasa. New Macfoods brand on the line. And all I want to do before I engage my Brazilian brothers is do a nice little chop on the kielbasa and get it going with my onions and sausages. So doing all three, nice big boys. All into sausages.
After Germany,
Yeah, so you guys are World Cup. You were in Germany as well?
Germany, yep, and Brazil.
And Brazil. You did Brazil as well?
Yep.
So this is actually a third World Cup, guys?
Correct.
I mean, it's a football pyongs and football pyongs. Well, it's serious football pyongs, boy. I mean, what the experience of a World Cup, you have to tell somebody, hey, go to a World Cup. Save your money, go to a World Cup. Why?
I think that being in the stadium and the atmosphere, if you like sport, let's just start with sport. It
Yeah.
doesn't necessarily have to be football. If you like sport, being in a stadium with thousands of other fans cheering on whoever is an experience that everyone should experience at one point in time in their life if they're into sports. And well, football, I mean, it's only two teams on the field, right? So basically you have a stadium of 40,000 people with 20 one way, 20 another, and it's just noise, energy, vibes, you know, it's just...
What was Germany? Trying to think who was in Germany race, and Germany was like, what for you, boy?
It was top in terms of we were there in the middle of it.
We mean in Trinidad and Tobago.
I remember before the England game, we
Yeah.
were in the square. I think you were there as well. You were in the square with the steel pan and the rhythm section that is added to it. The whole ambiance. Yeah, something you have to see it on TV doesn't do it. You have to be there to experience it.
Yeah.
And on the World Cup as a whole, just to be there outside the games, you're walking around the venues or the city, and the other fans are there and they're doing the chants in between. We went to Cristo in Brazil. Yeah. I think it was the Peru fans shouting chants. I think Columbus were there as well. They were just going back and forth, and it was it's a whole next level experience.
Yeah. When you get to the World Cup, to the venue, as I was already saying, each city, because you guys kind of going city hopping basically.
Yeah.
So the World Cup is in Qatar, but what a lot of people may not know is that Qatar is one venue.
One.
I think it's Istanbul.
Yeah.
So there are cities. You're doing that is city hop.
Are we doing about what, 3 stadiums?
Three cities besides Qatar. The difference is when you go to in past World Cups, it's in large countries,
Right.
and you have to fly between stadiums because it's so far away. So
Or drive for many hours.
so you go to one city or town,
Which is like Germany and
right,
yeah.
you go to games around there.
Yeah.
You go to another game.
You're Nuremberg and you're going to
exactly.
Yeah.
But Qatar is so small.
Yes.
You could actually go to 3 games in one
In one
day
day.
because it's so small. So that
proximity.
Proximity. So there's the airfare issue is eliminated. It cuts back on your cost, but
on the flip side, Qatar is expensive. So
Yeah.
they had to cut back on the...
Expense is not a history for you guys.
to get
But when you talk about looking at the experience of the World Cup, Qatar this was a Christmas World Cup.
Yes.
That affected you anyway in terms of trying to plan for it, boy, because I mean, Christmas is Christmas.
Well,
This was a different time of the year for a World Cup, boy.
it might sound a little odd, but the timing worked financially.
Right.
It allowed for a little more time to put together the funds to make it happen. Even though, it's 4 years you have between World Cups, excuse me. Trinidadians on the whole tend to like a lot of last minute stuff. So, but in terms of it being around Christmas time, it just feels weird. It just doesn't. You don't get the same sort of energy and hype that you get when it's in a summertime. I don't know why. If it's a summer solstice affects the moods. I don't know. But it doesn't seem to have the same sort of energy. That being said, I'm quite looking forward to the trip.
Yeah. And I'm looking forward to the games. I mean, as I said, there are football grounds that no matter what time football played.
Yeah, and there's some really solid matchups, like Germany, Spain is, Brazil, Cameroon,
What game you're looking forward to the most? You'll pick your games already, of course, and tickets bought and that kind of thing already.
Yes.
Brazil, Cameroon.
Brazil, Cameroon is number one for me.
We will be there, so
in the stadium for that
game. That's another level to the experience. Being there in a Brazilian match, because outside the stadium, you have all the samba dancers and the beating the drums. So I think in one of the Brazil matches in Germany, there was a whole Brazil-Japan, there was a whole march towards the stadium with all the Brazilian fans. And you get inside the stadium and you have the Brazilian fans, the Japanese fans. The Japanese fans I found were probably the most vocal of all the games I've ever been to. Because they were losing 3-0. And they were still going.
For many of these countries, it's just being there.
Just being
qualifying and being there.
They have 170 something footballing nations, so to make the final 32, is an achievement in itself.
Can I just tell you guys what I'm doing here?
Please.
Well, of course.
So the kielbasa, kind of nice sale with the onions and the mushrooms and a nice mix. But I'm kind of taking it up a notch. I'm doing some balsamic vinegar that I just want to kind of just toss in there. Just to give it a little and a little honey. So it's a little sweet and savory kind of vibes.
I think coming here today was a good choice.
It was a good choice.
My stomach and my nostrils are very happy.
Just you jump on the jumbo jet. you jump on Couple Joe and you just, the fellas have it good. Pepper, or a little spice, nothing wrong with that.
Put it in.
Nothing wrong with that. I like that. Guy's a kind of medium pepper kind of guy. So everything kind of coming together here nicely.
Kusume.
And you just kind of give it a little toss for everything kind of come together nice. Those Macfoods Kielbasa sausages looking nice. And we're going to pull together some meaty sandwiches, some meaty sliders with these. I am not doing it. This is self-service. You come, you grab your thing, and you go back and you watch the game. So the boys and them.
We should take some to go with
take some to Qatar. Oh, nice juiciness. I like just a little mayonnaise, just to be the little glue.
That's a little mayonnaise.
A little?
That constitutes a little mayonnaise.
Some like it big, some like it small, some like it lot, some like it little.
That is between what you like and kind of your terminology.
What may be little for you, maybe? Let us stop, right?
I rest my case. End of conversation.
Same commentary.
So a little lettuce. And so guys, I want to make the first one just to show you. I like to plate it up like this, but let me tell you what I like to do, guys. When I get my desired amount. See this what I have? Just like the sauce. Yeah, just like the drizzle that a little bit on them. Cobra, all yours.
Because I'm closer.
Yeah, don't be shy.
So, let me see if I get the technique right.
Yeah. Little. That's not a deal breaker.
Problems.
But little.
Yeah. My version a little, not yours. Right.
There's more sauce on it.
No. I get the sauce from inside there. I take in my sauce from inside there. There we go. Yes. Main course. Some sauce. Corners. Technique, technique.
Fix him up.
Caught him.
Yeah.
There we go. Uno, dos.
So this is the idea, guys. You kind of have everybody just doing their thing, everything laid out, and then you could go and check the game out when you're ready and throw it back in the game.
I know when last I had me and this.
Yeah, boy.
But I'm not training, so
So you could
And no
go-
one I say you could eat now.
I could eat
you could
anything
go
now.
hard. You could go hard.
I'm on mid mount, so I'm gonna take 3 I will try 4 on this.
Are you putting 4 in there? You can't put 4 in there.
I go try.
You can't put 4 in there.
Yeah, Raymond.
That's what she said.
All right, I still go to 3.
Cheers, guys.
Bon appetit.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Boom. That crunch was everything.
Macfoods Kielbasa sausages.
That looks like it will pack nicely.
You can put this down
In my suitcase.
in your suitcase.
Wrap
in
it
the
up.
car. When we come back, I'm doing a little simple nice cocktail, and then I'm going to deal with these Brazilians. Because in my heart, long live Diego Armando Maradona. I say anything between them. Diego Armando Maradona.
Second only to Pele.